There is nothing quite as terrifying as watching your expensive kitchen appliance dance across the counter while you are trying to knead a simple loaf of sourdough. Most budget mixers feel like toys when they hit a thick batch of dough. They rattle, they groan, they eventually start to smell like burning plastic. Lately, this under-the-radar brand called Zacme has been popping up in baking circles as the potential solution to that nightmare. It does not look like a typical home appliance. It looks like something you would find in the back of a professional bakery. This machine is heavy. It is solid. It sits on your counter with a level of authority that says it is not going anywhere. When you first see it, you notice the sheer scale of the thing. We are talking about a massive bowl that can handle over 8 quarts of ingredients. That is huge for a home kitchen. Most people are used to much smaller setups that struggle with a double batch of cookies. This one just eats through it. The real secret here is the motor. It uses a specialized power system that focuses on torque. It does not just spin fast. It spins with purpose. Even at low speeds, it maintains a consistent rhythm that prevents the motor from stalling out when things get sticky. That is usually where the cheaper brands fail. They lose steam when the resistance builds up. This one keeps pushing. It is surprisingly quiet too. You do not feel like you are standing next to a jet engine while it works. The build quality feels substantial. It is made of metal where it counts. You can tell it was designed for stability. But there is a catch. This is not a brand that has been around for 50 years. You cannot just walk into any local store and find replacement parts easily. That is the gamble you take when you step away from the household names everyone knows. You are trading a proven track record for raw performance at a lower price point. It sits in a strange middle ground. It is more expensive than the entry-level stuff, but still significantly cheaper than the high-end heritage brands. For a serious bread baker who needs to move through large volumes of dough every single day, this might be a dream. For someone who just makes a batch of cupcakes once every 3 months, it is total overkill. It takes up a lot of room. You need a dedicated spot for it because you are not going to want to lift this heavy beast in and out of a cabinet. The digital timer is a nice touch. It stops you from overworking the gluten. That is a small detail that makes a big difference when you are multitasking in the kitchen. The attachments are sturdy. They do not have that polished finish you see on fancy mixers, but they get the job done without bending. You have to ask yourself if you care more about the name on the side or the power under the hood. If you want a machine that feels like a tank and can handle the heavy lifting, this is a serious contender. Just know that you are part of the early wave of users. Long-term durability is the one big question mark that only time can answer. It is a bold choice for a bold baker. It is about performance over prestige. If you are tired of your current mixer crying for help, this heavy hitter might be what your kitchen counter is missing. It is a performance-focused tool that understands the struggle of a heavy dough. If you can live with the brand being a bit of a newcomer, the power you get in return is undeniable.